years after claiming the throne. Commodus is prepared to put his life on the line, to restore glory to his city, and win the respect of his people.